What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back in the mix, back in action, man. It's a new week here. It's time to get this week going, dog. We done already got on the freeway early this morning, slid to the city. So that's where we at right now. We got a bunch of wheels to pick up. So now the wheel for the blue bike we're picking up first. Then we got to go pick up the wheel for the CVO. Then judging if bro has tires for the custom wheels or not. They are done, but he just needs the tires for them. So he was waiting on shipping, but we still trying to see if he got them in stock now. So hopefully he has them before we go back. If not, tomorrow for sure he'll have those things. So judging what our time frame is looking like, we'll be having those in the next couple of days for sure, if not today. Then we have that other Road King special, so I can't wait to throw them rims on there, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway on that one, man, make sure you hit that link below and enter the giveaway for that second Road King special in like the denim gray or denim black. I gotta find that color because I don't know the exact color of it, but yeah, man, let's get to it, dog. Without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to shout out everybody who's been supporting out there, liking the video, enjoying the videos, man. I definitely appreciate you. Alrighty, just pulled up to Willie Shiny. About to check out these wheels for the blue bike. Yo.
Say what?
What's up, man? How you doing?
This one's ABS too?
Yeah, ABS too.
Yeah, we did the other one this morning.
Yeah, okay, cool.
And I didn't know you wanted two. Right?
Yeah, no, I forgot we had another bike. We wanted to put one of these on, so I was like, let me just get it while I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Just make it easier.
How about you? You stay busy?
Yeah, man. Keeping busy, doing my YouTube, man, you know, keeping it going.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're going to do ABS with this one too, man.
Yeah, that thing looks good, man.
All right.
Love it.
Oh. And what, these?
Yeah, and powder coated black?
Yeah.
You do? In a 21?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because we polish all this. I send this in for polishing.
Oh, okay.
And they buff all this out. And then when it comes out, it's all gloss black.
Right. Okay, makes
Yeah,
sense.
they come out nice.
I get you.
Here's one here.
Oh, I see.
Probably dusty.
It looks
static
decent, though. I
too.
get what you're saying. Okay,
Yeah.
bet.
See how they come out all glossy?
Right. Makes sense. Yeah, that's cool. Alrighty, we got our wheels for the blue bike and the green bike. So we good to go there. About to leave Willie Shiny off to the next rim shop. Alrighty, next rim shop. I got the joints that look like forges. Hello. That thing looks good, man. That thing looks clean. Yeah, that definitely looks nice. Woo! That look clean. I like it. Yeah, that's definitely it.
What kind of bike you got?
CVO.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Road King CVO.
Yeah. What year?
14.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the orange one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I can't wait to put that thing on there, dog. That's crazy. Y'all cutting up a wheel right now?
Yeah, you want to check it out?
Yeah, can I check it out or what? That looks nuts. I ain't never seen this done like this. Dang. That's crazy.
Yeah, so each wheel takes a couple hours.
Right.
And this is how they start, actually.
Yeah, let me check out how it starts, man. What the heck? Dang.
The wheel blank, that's a 60, 61 aluminum.
Wow. That's crazy. So this is for like, dang, a 34.
That's a 34.
What the heck? Wow. I've never seen that before. That's nuts. Dang. So they just cut out the whole thing.
Exactly.
Damn. So to cut a 34, how long would it take? Like a couple days?
Oh, that probably takes, about 2 days.
Damn, that's a long ass fucking time, dog. That's pretty impressive, though. I've never seen that before. That's dope.
Yeah, this is going to be the first 34 that we cut here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, that's gonna be dope. I can't. What style are you gonna cut it?
You know what?
Or you got something custom?
I think it's going to be a custom design.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, these ones are actually nice right here. I was seeing the little, the satin, like the, what is it? The stainless steel looking ones?
Yeah, so that's actually, that's how the wheel looks after being cut.
Oh, wow.
That's fresh off the machine right
Wow.
there.
Yeah, that looks really good, though. I like it like that.
They get polished after that, and then if it gets powder coated, it gets sent to powder coat.
Oh, okay,
Or
okay.
it'll get chrome.
Dang, that black looks good, dog. Yeah, that thing looks really good. I can't wait.
Yeah, our powder coater uses a two-stage powder coating, so he does
Yeah?
gloss black, and then he does a gloss out after that.
Yeah, that shit's hella clean. Definitely looks good. For sure. I can't wait. Alrighty, man. So we got all our wheels so far. Well, we got 3 pairs. We got 1 back here and 2 in the trunk. We really need 2 more sets, literally sets of wheels. So I don't know if we can even get them in here. I'm sure we might be able to if he come through. We'll see though, man. Let's go drop one of them off at Dre shop though, now that I think about it. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart. From how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. Man, I done came back to the city. My boy done got a house on wheels, dog. God dang, this thing is huge. Hey, I'm telling you, this thing make you look like real tiny. You can run across this thing a few times, honestly. Thing cold though, I'm digging it, man. Y'all see the homie going up, dog. Homie got the toys in this joint. I didn't know this thing was this big. We could put a few Harleys in this joint, dog. Road tripping it. Y'all see how huge this thing is? Oh, snaps. That thing is huge. What the heck? Oh my goodness. I'm over here rolling on the freeway. Dude got a whole Copart friggin' tag on the back of his friggin' car. So we know where this thing came from. Definitely came from Copart. I'll show you how to add right now. Alrighty, man, we done made it back to the crib. Got the 2 pairs of rims right here. We're gonna take this CVO rim to the shop in the morning, get that thing mounted up and put on. And then this one, we gotta find a low profile tire for it because we do have the wraparound for this blue one. So you guys know with that 170, I believe it's gonna rub. So we need like a 130. So let's see and tune in the morning and see what's up. Alrighty, guys, next day here, we got all the bikes here. We got our CVO reel right here. So we're gonna take this up to BBV. You guys seen it yesterday, but we're gonna take this up to BBV. They're gonna switch off the rotor, throw a new tire on there, get that thing mounted up. As for the old rim, we already got that thing sold. As for this one, we are giving this bike away. Based on that last giveaway, man, you guys are kind of skeptical, and that's cool. I understand. I would be too, but it's literally nothing I would do to sabotage my business, my giveaways, nothing like that to even have everything going down. So you guys already know, pure luck. He won it fair and square. It's nothing I can do. But yeah, man, that's why we got another one for you guys. So never give up hope. Always shoot for the stars. Never stop believing in yourself, because just like he won 2 of them, I'm sure he didn't think he was going to win 1 of them. So this one is up. So if you guys are interested, man, make sure you hit everythingsregular.com or hit the link below, and you'll be entered in to win that Road King special. As for this one, we do have the rim for it in that box right there. We just got to find a tire, and then we can get this one finished up today. So I think I'm going to tackle this one first. We're going to go to Harley, find a tire. While they're mounting that one up, they can mount both of these up. We can get them done pretty much simultaneously. As for the black Road King, we went to the city yesterday to pick up the rims. However, he didn't have the tires. Everything we got need tires. So today he said they should be ready. However, today we were working on this stuff, and tomorrow we got a nice surprise. So I think we won't be able to make it back to the city until Thursday or Friday to pick up those wheels. But we will get a chance to slide this thing in the meantime. No big deal. But in the meantime, man, we got to go get ready to drop this wheel off. Throw them fishtail pipes back on that CVO. Get everything situated, man, and make some space in this garage. We got to start clearing everything up, getting these bikes out to ship. So meanwhile, just changed and everything. Time to get to the game. Trying to get to that thing, dog. So we going to put this one in the car along with these fishtails. Take them up there, drop them off, and then we should be good until later on. And then meanwhile, we'll try to find a tire for that one while we out there. So let's get it. Now, I know I haven't gave you guys a freaking review or nothing on it. Man, I literally, when I tell you this, I literally have not drove this car, man. It's I gotta feel like I'm doing something, dog, and I just been ripping and running. Like when I got stuff to do, man, I don't have time to just have fun. You know, this car is definitely an enjoyment, but I really haven't had a chance to drive it or really enjoy it like I want to yet. But we'll get there, man. We'll get there. Once we get all these bikes and stuff out of here this week, we'll have more time to focus on Bay. Let's get those mirrors out. Meanwhile, let's get this thing loaded up, dog. Now, I haven't put a whole wheel in this car yet, but we'll see. All right, so this is what we got rocking. It didn't take long, but covered these pipes up with some clothes and stuff. Should be good there. Got the back wheel back there, seat all the way back so it don't move. Y'all know it was only a matter of time, man. Let's get it going.
So we got the handlebar.
Cool. Oh, yeah, there
so
it goes. Let's check it out.
turns and everything.
Okay. Yeah, see, freaking, see, that was the only thing with this one, man. I tried to freaking match the paint, and it didn't match up, so I got to take it back to the paint shop. You see how the oranges is, like, different? So I got to take it back. Either he's going to match it up really good, or it's just going to be black on the covers and the bags, but... yeah, definitely need the pipes on there, and then that 21, that'll do it justice. Oh, for sure. Yeah, that was the main thing right there. I was fucking about to run into another curve fucking with that shit. For sure, man.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Not a problem.
Yes, sir. We out here at BBV, man. Y'all already know. Y'all need some bikes, looking for some bikes. Come get on ground, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Man, cool. Another day, dog. For like the
compressor there.
Oh, wow. Oh, he needed a whole rebuild joint, huh?
Whoa.
It's the homies.
Here on this side, so he's got
Right.
this, the rolling sands.
Oh, yeah.
Sand stuff
Oh,
in
yeah,
there.
the see-through stuff, yeah.
And it melted right through.
Oh, wow.
And was letting the fluid run right out.
Oh, dang. Oh, so
Yeah.
that's what it was. Okay, bet.
Yep.
Makes sense now.
So we're switching it back to stock, and
At least he'll be rolling now.
yeah.
Alrighty, guys. We done made it back to the crib. Man, it was freaking fun. We had found a Lambo on the way to the crib. You got that lamb thing.
Off at school, big day for my little man.
sir.
Reach every option.
Let's race.
Let me
Let's
know
race.
if that's a problem. Wouldn't want to talk about it.
Shit. Yeah. Hey, that motherfucker. Playing with Lambos.
Dick feel better when you drunk, right?
Yes, sir.
Spend night-
Oh my God, I swear, dog. Stuff like that makes me like really love this car, dog. The Lambo, I felt like we was in a Lambo, shoot. But anywho, back at the crib, we didn't drop the 21 CVO wheel off. We waiting for this tire to come. It should come tomorrow. Now, I was going to go to Harley, but that's going to be an extra like $120. So I could wait that day, and we'll be getting this one set up tomorrow. So we'll see what's up, man. But if you guys are interested in this one, man, the giveaway is live right now. All you got to do is go to Everything's Regular, cop a hat, and you'll be entered into the giveaway, man. So alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We done headed to the city. We done picked up a bunch of parts. We dropped the wheel off, the 21 off for the green bikes. We got the 21 for the blue one as well. We got our rims for this bike and that bike. So every bike we got rims on it. Literally, we went down to the city yesterday to get the wheels, but he didn't have the tires in, so he should have them in today. May be able to slide to the city real quick, do a quick turnaround and pick them up. I don't know, but I know tomorrow we got something special coming to the channel, man, so stay tuned. If you guys are interested in the giveaway, man, be sure to hit up everythingsregular.com right now, enter the giveaway, and that thing could be yours, man.